Will changing the logger buffer size improve my device's performance?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle an interesting topic about your device's performance. Can changing the logger buffer size improve your device's performance? Let's dive right in.
What is logger buffer size?
Logger buffer size pertains to the amount of memory allocated to log files in your device. Log files are essentially records of events happening in a device or system, including operations, transactions, and messages. These files are used for troubleshooting purposes and performance analysis. However, they also consume a certain amount of memory, which is determined by the buffer size.
How can logger buffer size impact performance?
Memory allocation plays a vital role in the performance of your device. If you allocate too much memory to your log buffer, there could be less available for other processes, potentially slowing down your device. On the other hand, if your logger buffer size is too small, the system might constantly overwrite log entries, potentially leading to lost information. In most cases, modifying logger buffer size will not significantly enhance performance for the average user. Most modern operating systems and software applications are designed to manage these resources efficiently. However, in specific scenarios, like high-performance computing or servers handling high volume of transactions, fine-tuning the buffer size could yield performance improvements.
How to change the logger buffer size?
For those who are keen to experiment, changing the logger buffer size is usually done through system settings or configurations. Be aware that this process differs among devices, operating systems, and software. Moreover, be cautious when adjusting this setting as it can affect system stability and logging accuracy. Always remember to back up your system before making significant changes. In conclusion, while changing the logger buffer size might not significantly boost your device's performance under most circumstances, it can have some impact in specific scenarios. Always weigh the trade-offs before deciding to make such adjustments, and remember, your device's performance depends on a myriad of factors, and focusing on one might not give you the overall boost you're looking for. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has shed light on your questions about logger buffer size and device performance.